All right, so let's make it a little bit easier to work with our Terraform file here. And what's really nice is that, we have this main TF, but anything that's named .tf is going to be treated as a single file. And so it's pretty common to break these up into individual files here. So what I'm going to do is call this one providers.tf. And I found out that you can only have one Terraform block and one required provider block. So if you're thinking about making like one for each provider and then the resources within it, that's just not possible. So we'll name that there. And I guess we'll bring these over as well. Probably a good idea to do that. Okay, and then we have a variable. Pretty common to make a variables.tf. So we'll say variables.tf here. And we'll grab our single one there. Okay. And so if we wanted to, oh yeah, probably an outputs would be good too. So we'll say a new file here. We'll say outputs.tf. And I think when we get to module development, I'm pretty sure this is like the standard. If it's in my slides here, we'll say like modules. If I go over to that there for a second. Yeah, it's in this section here. But yeah, when we get over to this, yeah, it's pretty common to have an outputs, a variables, a main, okay? And so we'll put our output there. And the rest is up to you. So we can leave this in main, or we could try and take this and put this into one called AWS resources. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just rename this to AWS. Okay. And maybe we'll just keep a main around. And I'm not sure if locals is, it treats it as one file, so it must work that way. But I'm going to just go ahead and paste that in there. I was thinking maybe it's like bound to the file, but it's probably just bound to the module. And so I just want to make sure that this all works. So I'm going to just do Terraform plan here. And see what happens here. I'm just seeing if there's going to be any kind of errors. Or just in general, what are we going to see? No changes. So it read all the files, no problem. So this is all good to go. But yeah, you can break it up however you like. It's that easy, okay? Yep.